This video is for anybody that would be interested in connecting a BBC Microbit to a servo, and I hope this can be helpful for you. On the left is the Microbit, and the servo on the right has three wires coming from it, red, black, and white. The red wire goes to an external 3-volt battery. I'm using two 1.5-volt penlight batteries, and the black wire goes to the ground of that external battery. You do not want to power the servo from the 3-volt Microbit. Its current draw is excessive and can damage your voltage regulator on your Microbit. So the red and black wire go to a external battery source of 3 volts. The white wire is the signal wire, and that's connected back to the Microbit on port 0 via an alligator clip on the left. And then on the right, the negative of the external battery is connected to the ground connection of the Microbit, so that there's a common ground between the two batteries. So really, the Microbit on port 0 is applying a pulse signal to the white wire, and then the servo is changing its position. The arrow just simply indicates on the display, it just indicates if I'm going in the center, to the right, center, to the left. And then the display of the small oscilloscope shows you that when it's in the center, you need a pulse of 1.5 milliseconds. And if you want to make the servo go to the right, or clockwise, the pulse has to be 1 millisecond. And if you want to make the servo go to the center, again, that's 1.5 milliseconds. And if you want to make the servo go counterclockwise, that would be to the left, then you need a pulse of 2 milliseconds. So if you watch the servo, watch the arrow, and watch the pulse, you'll see this illustrated. So to the right is 1 millisecond, center 1.5, left 2. I have included the code in listing below.